Dear students, in lecture 3rd, continue infinite series. Next theorem, if summation n is equal to 1 to infinity n converges to a and summation n is equal to 1 to infinity b and diverges to infinity or minus infinity, then show that summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an plus bn diverges to infinity or minus infinity. Means if one series is converges to a and another series converges to infinite or minus infinite, then the sum an plus bn, that series is converges to diverges to infinity or minus infinity. To prove this, let denote sn dash and sn double dash denote the partial sum of summation n is equal to 1 to infinity n an, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn, and summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an plus bn respectively. But here it is given that series summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an converges to a. So then by definition limit n goes to infinity sn is equal to a. Since also it is given that summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn diverges to infinity, then by definition limit n goes to infinity sn is equal to infinity. So now sn, what is sn here? Sn denote the partial sum of series an. So therefore sn is equal to a1 plus a2 up to an. sn dash is equal to sn dash क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? sn dash रिप्रेजेंट द पार्शियल सम ऑफ सीरीज bn. तो therefore sn dash is equal to b1 plus b2 up to bn. Similarly sn double dash represent the partial sum of the series an plus bn. So therefore sn double dash is equal to a1 plus b1 plus a2 plus b2 plus an plus bn. Adjusting term we have a1 plus a2 up to n plus b1 plus b2 up to bn. That sum is equal to sn. That sum is equal to sn dash. So therefore we have sn double dash is equal to sn plus sn dash. Now taking limit n goes to infinity on both sides. Now taking limit n goes to infinity sn double dash, we have limit n goes to infinity sn plus sn dash, which is equal to limit n goes to infinity sn plus limit n goes to infinity sn dash. That term, that limit is equal to a. So here is a, that limit sn dash, which is equal to infinity. So that is equal to a plus infinite is equal to infinite. A plus, this implies limit n goes to infinity an plus bn is a divergent series. So and diverges to infinity. Okay, thank you.